Welcome to Paystand's Sage demo. I will take you through a typical use case here, paying a simple invoice. To start, invoice creation is done primarily within Sage. After invoice creation, we deliver the invoice using Sage, and we can use the Paystand dashboard as well. So within Sage, we can send out an email. Paystand is actually embedding within the email template here. We could have multiple templates with multiple payment configurations. Now at the Paystand dashboard, we do have autopay, we do have collection plans, and we have a virtual terminal here as well. In this case, we're just going to send out the reminder. We'll include a receivable attachment. We'll include a custom billing portal and go ahead and send that out. Next, invoice payment. Let's jump over to our inbox here. This would be a branded email. Click on Pay Now. The checkout experience is also branded. This would match the merchant's branding, so logo, background images, what have you. We are presenting 3 payment options here. If I click on card, we can see that we're clearly passing a 3% fee. So this fee is fully customizable and treated separately from the invoice amount. We'll see the journal entries when we go back into Sage after the payment. ACH and credit cards are pretty common payment methods. Paystand handles them under one roof. And the same can be said for our bank login option. This option is actually unique to Paystand in the B2B space. So you see this with Plaid and Venmo, again, more in the peer-to-peer payment space. Paystand has brought this to B2B. We support commercial as well as individual accounts. We are actually instantly verifying the funds as well. I'll go ahead and select that amount. That is a payment experience in a nutshell. I mentioned autopay. Let's take a quick look at what that would entail. So let's come to our customers page here. In this case, we can see autopay is on. Let's go ahead and click on it just to show you what it would look like to set this up. We're going to set a reminder for up to 10 days. Any incoming invoices under this particular customer will be set up for autopay. The other option for autopay is collections. So let's go ahead and select on-time customers for our plan. You can see our email chain that we've set up previously. Upon syncing a new receivable from Sage, we are sending out an email. 2 days before the due date, we are sending out another email and on repeat until fully paid. Then the billing portal is something that would be selected here as well. These are all automated. When this is set at the customer level, any incoming receivable is automatically enrolled in that collections plan. In summary, this means putting collections and actual payments in terms of autopay on autopilot. Let me go ahead and move forward with what reconciliation looks like. If we switch over to Sage, we'll go ahead and refresh this. And we will jump into the invoice that has been paid. We can see that cash application is actually reflected in Sage via our indicator here. Let's go into posted payments, and just to sort of hammer this point home that we are actually applying that amount. So we go into GL, let's go into our general journal just to show you what the transfer would look like. We actually showed that this full amount, in this case a little over $59,000, is debited to a destination checking account. All the journal entries created are fully automated, and again, it's on an invoice basis. So that is the overall payment cycle at a high level.